If the Microsoft Store app is missing from your Windows 10 computer, try these troubleshooting methods to restore it. Microsoft Store is typically a native app, so these steps address common issues causing it to disappear. So method 1, search for troubleshooting settings in the Windows Start menu. Now click on Other Troubleshooters. Now locate Windows Store apps in the list and click Run to start the troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the troubleshooting process. If method 1 didn't work for you, like it didn't work for me, try this method 2. So right-click the Start menu and select Windows PowerShell Admin, or search for PowerShell and run it as an administrator. Now enter the command shown in the screen, and press Enter to execute the command. This command re-registers the Microsoft app, which should make it appear again on your system if it was previously uninstalled or corrupted.